चाहे आप हैं वर्ल्ड क्लास जिमनास्ट और अ काउच पोटैटो, बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेज आर फॉर एवरीवन, क्योंकि बॉडी एक्सरसाइजेज में हम यूज़ करते हैं अपना ओन बॉडी वेट एज अ सोर्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस टू क्रिएट मोर अवेयरनेस, मोर स्ट्रेंथ इन आवर बॉडी। हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू फिट तक विद मी गरिमा भंडारी। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे एक डायनामिक बॉडी वेट रूटीन एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस वर्कआउट इज दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ लेवल एंड इट इज रिकमेंडेड फ्रॉम बिगिनर टू एडवांस। So we're going to start with side to side jump hops. So let's see how we do it. First we start with a standing position, absolutely straight, both legs towards the floor, parallel to each other. Brace your abdominals tight towards the spine and keeping your shoulders and your upper body absolutely straight. You can join your hands like this in front of you and just jump from side to side like this. So we're going to start now for 30 seconds. Keep breathing. So that's a good way to warm up your heart, warm up your entire body and be prepared for the next set of exercises, which is going to be downward dog crunches. Now downward dog as I say is a complete holistic exercise, क्योंकि downward dog में आप अपनी पूरी बॉडी को एक तरह से पूरे बॉडी की मसल्स को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ना सिर्फ लेटरल बट एब्डोमिनल्स, कोर, अपर बॉडी, रिस्ट, एवरीथिंग यू आर यूजिंग एंड एट द सेम टाइम जब हम उसमें एक डायनामिक मूवमेंट डालते हैं जैसे कि क्रंचेस, सो यू आर एक्चुअली बर्निंग योर कोर मोर एंड ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन योर फैट लॉस. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी डू इट. टेबल टॉप पोजिशन में knees are stacked under the hips and the wrists are stacked directly under the shoulders and bracing the abdominals. यहाँ से हम अपने toes को curl करते हुए अपने legs और hands पे weight transfer करेंगे and coming into a downward dog position. और palms and feet both are pressing the floor away from you and यहाँ से अपने knee को bend करते हुए, curl करते हुए ऊपर लेकर जाएं and उसके बाद bring the knee towards your chest and come back. And we do this from the other side, raising the left leg this time, curling the entire torso and bringing the knee to the chest. Other side. Keep breathing. Feel a big crunch in your abdominals, in your entire abdomen area when you do the crunch. And release. So ये थे डाउनवर्ड डॉग क्रंचेस. ये होल बॉडी कंडीशनिंग के लिए एक्सीलेंट है. ऑल द मसल्स आर गेटिंग यूज्ड. एट द सेम टाइम आपके एब्डोमिनल्स में जो स्टबन फैट है, बेली फैट है, उस पर भी काम करता है. ऑल्सो स्ट्रेंथनिंग योर कोर एट द सेम टाइम. Do 3 sets of at least 12 repetitions each, and in this circuit it is very important that you take a rest of at least 60 seconds before the set of other workout. And last exercise for this video is for our legs, क्योंकि legs में situated होती हैं the largest muscles of our body. So it's very important कि हम अपनी leg की muscles को ignore नहीं करें, क्योंकि lower body की strength से ही आपकी पूरी upper body की strength and core strength is also related. So let's see how we do static lunges. So in lateral lunges we are going to turn towards one side. Both the feet are going to face towards one side, keeping the legs absolutely straight. From here we are going to place our hands on our waist, keeping the knees absolutely locked and integrity of the spine absolutely straight. Bracing the abdominals, we're going to lower down our knees like this towards the floor as low as we can without actually touching the floor. The front knee will be in 90 degree and the thigh will be parallel to the floor and come back. Best part about doing lunges is that it's working on your hamstring, quad muscles, glutes, hip flexors and also your ankles all at the same time. Excellent for lower body strengthening, strengthening the leg muscles, also working on the core. Stay here for a few seconds. Try to do lunges for at least 30 seconds to even 60 seconds and 12 repetitions and 3 sets of 12 repetitions on each side of the leg. And come back to the center. So this was an amazing set of easy body weight workout, especially as a beginner. अगर आप lazy हैं to spend a fortune on an expensive gym membership, or you just don't feel like getting out of your home, this is the set of workout for you as a beginner before you move on and progress into more dynamic versions of this body weight workout. And to watch more such amazing, awesome set of workout with me, Garima Bhandari, subscribe to Fit Tak Today on YouTube, like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay strong. Bye guys.